What's going on, everybody? This is Doug with the McCurdy Outdoors channel. Riding Blacks Creek, better known as the South Fork of the Boise River today. Not a whole lot of parking options, so we had to park at the top. Had a hell of a time getting in there. I didn't film any of it, but had to chain up a couple rigs and kind of a nightmare. And this route is pretty well traveled, so messing around on these corners, at least in this part of the canyon, is not such a great idea. And you can probably tell by the engine noise, I put a new exhaust on. It's the aftermarket Assassins, what level, whatever. It sounds pretty good. It's a lot louder than it was, that's for sure. So we'll see if I like it. Also put in a couple other goodies I won't mention. I think those will be separate videos. Really pretty through here. I'm hoping to get the drone up in the canyon along the river. That canyon's gorgeous, especially in spring. And I mean, I don't know about now. I don't think I've been here to this area this late in the season, like late into winter, that is. But when you have the two-tone with the brown and the snow up high, it's really, really gorgeous. Some of my most favorite pictures I've taken are from this canyon. And spring and winter is the time to do it. This canyon isn't very high up in elevation. It's basically just south of Lucky Peak and Arrow Rock. Well, we're back with the group now. We got Corey up front. Alex is right behind me in the KRX, and then I don't know if it's Ty or Lane behind him. I'm hoping the road is just like this pretty much all the way into at least to the bridge. That way you can get a lot of speed and have a little bit of fun, because at least you have some traction. This road's really known for a sandy rim. And this is the first time in quite a while that I've just thrown all the GoPros on my rig. We got the rear, the front, the helmet. And the goal today, if there is a goal, is just have a nice easy ride. Hopefully get the drone in the air, like I've mentioned for the 1,000th time. Not a whole lot of options right now as far as winter riding. So much snow has hit the area that even like the go-to Grimes Creek is too much snow. You can usually hit Grimes Creek year round, and usually in the winter months it's the best, but that's 3+ feet right now, probably more with this recent snowstorm. So you're reduced to basically hit the Owyhees or any route that's plowed. So right now, this one and the Middle Fork route to Atlanta is pretty popular. It's a lot longer of a ride. I think it's 60, 65 miles one way. So plan your gas accordingly, or make arrangements with them. I think they have gas as long as you let them know. I know I didn't do a video on it, and I think I've mentioned it in a couple other videos, but the Tuss seat warmers are friggin' awesome. Guess we could have came all the way down here. Of the canyon, the river's on the other side. Pretty cool look off up here on the rocks. I think we've always stopped at and got some pictures. Always seems to be a lot of deer in through here too. few. Heading into prairie now. God, that exhaust is pretty loud. There's a waterfall. Where's everybody?
I don't know.
Well, I hate to say it, but Lane's new Turbo S had some clutch problems, so we picked him up. Make it into prairie, have some lunch. Maybe we'll limp that back or pull it back. He didn't make it. Look at him in two-wheel drive. Well, we just had lunch in prairie. Finger steaks were excellent. Heading back. Wind picked up a little bit, or I don't know, the temperature dropped like crazy. It's colder than hell now. It says 32, but I think it said that all day, but now it actually feels cold. So anyway, we're gonna rip back to Lane's machine. And then who knows from there. Stay tuned. What's going to happen between now and by the time we get to the trucks, but I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for those donating on Patreon, following me on Facebook and Instagram. I appreciate it. If you like this or any of my other videos, hit the subscribe button. That's by far the best way to support this channel. And I'll just reiterate, thanks for watching. This has been Doug with McCurdy Outdoors. And I'll catch you on the next ride, but don't forget, the adventure waits. Take care, everybody.